For the past couple of years, I've collaborated with Dehancer in various ways. Earlier this year, we worked together on a giveaway for a lifetime subscription to Dehancer Pro, and we're working together on another giveaway. I have two giveaway announcements that I'll be sharing with you in this video. But first, what is Dehancer? Dehancer is a film emulation software designed to help photographers and videographers achieve authentic film-like visuals and digital content. Available as a plugin for popular editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and Final Cut Pro, Dehancer offers tools to replicate the look and feel of classic film stock, including grain, halation, bloom, and color response. It emphasizes natural organic looks and provides customizable adjustments, making it a favorite for creators who appreciate the nuances of analog film aesthetics. I will link my initial Dehancer review down below. And Dehancer also has a mobile app. Dehancer's mobile app extends these film emulation features to mobile photography and videography, allowing users to add authentic film-like qualities to their photos and videos directly from their smartphones. This app includes key tools from Dehancer's desktop versions such as classic film stocks, including grain, halation, bloom, and color response, to help photographers and videographers bring a professional vintage-inspired touch to their images and videos on the go. Now for the giveaways. Giveaway 1 is a 30-day free trial to Dehancer's mobile app. The Dehancer mobile app is a subscription-based app. However, there's a free trial that would allow you to edit and export up to 10 images or videos. The Dehancer mobile app is my go-to app for touching up images that I want to post directly to social media. My initial video for the giveaway is linked below. I am updating the rules in this video, but you want to watch that video on how to get started in the app. Here's how to win. Download the Dehancer app and use the free trial. Follow me over on Instagram, follow me on YouTube, post a photo, carousel, or reel on Instagram and tag me in the post, or post a long form video, short, or community post on YouTube and link me at Don Tinsley to enter. The winner will be announced on Thursday, November 28th. Now for the second giveaway. If you aren't into the mobile app, then I have something you will be interested in. You can win a 1-year license to Dehancer Pro. I have a dedicated video on how to win the 1-year license to Dehancer Pro. I'm wrapping up the editing on that one, so make sure you are subscribed, turn on notifications so you are notified when it is posted. This isn't the last giveaway of the year. We have one more coming, and I want you to win just as much as you want to. Also want to announce the Dehancer Colorist Awards. The Dehancer Colorist Awards is an annual competition recognizing talented colorists and filmmakers skilled in color grading and film emulation. Entrants use Dehancer's tools to create film-inspired looks across various categories, with winners receiving prizes and exposure on Dehancer's platforms. Judged by industry experts, the awards celebrate technical skill, creativity, and storytelling through color. It's a key event for creators passionate about analog film aesthetics and high-level color grading. You can find out more by following the Dehancer Colorist Award link down in the description. While staying awesome, stay awesome.